Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos in the background while using other apps. Let's dive right in. The first and most straightforward way to play YouTube videos in the background is by using YouTube Premium. With YouTube Premium, you can continue listening to your favorite videos even when you switch to other apps or turn off your screen. Just subscribe to YouTube Premium, open the YouTube app and start playing a video and then switch to another app and turn off your screen. The audio will keep playing. While YouTube Premium is a paid service, it also comes with other benefits like ad-free videos and access to YouTube Music. The next thing we can do is go to your web browser, open Chrome and go to youtube.com. Then find the video you want to play and start playing it. Then switch to desktop mode by tapping the three dots in the top right corner and selecting desktop site. Once the video is playing, press the home button. You can then swipe down from the notification bar and press the play button to keep the video playing in the background. Let me show you. Now simply swipe from up, and if it's paused, simply unpause it and the video will be still playing. And there you have it, the two ways to keep your YouTube videos playing in the background while you use other apps, whether you choose YouTube Premium or a browser tick. There's a method for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up to our channel.